Today, I'll be teaching you how to use RefWorks. RefWorks is a citation manager that allows you to collect, manage, and organize research papers and documents. You can add references from any source, and RefWorks will format them for you while you write. An institutional account is available to PCOM students, faculty, and staff, and includes 10 gigs of document storage, easy institution-wide sharing, add-ons for adding citations to Microsoft Word and Google Docs, and more. To sign up for a RefWorks account, go to the library homepage, click My Accounts on the menu bar, then click RefWorks. Below the sign-in fields, click the gray Create Account text. Fill in your information, making sure to use your pcom.edu email address. Within a few minutes of signing up, you should get an email with a link to complete the registration process. After you log into RefWorks, the first thing you'll want to do is add references. You can do this by clicking the plus sign in the top menu. There are three major ways to add references: uploading a document, importing references from a database, or creating a reference manually. Let's start by clicking Create New Reference. First, choose a ref type, depending on what the work you're citing is. There are many options, but we'll start with journal article. From there, just fill out the fields according to the sample text. The title is the title. For each author, type last name, first name, and press Enter. Each ref type has different fields depending on what the citation needs. For instance, a book will need a publisher, and a journal article will need volume and pages. You can also add notes for your own reference or tags to organize your citations. Under Attachments, you can attach the PDF of your source so it's stored on the cloud. Once you're done, click Save on the top right, and you'll have a reference to cite. You can click on any reference to see all the fields, then click the pencil item in the corner to edit it. Most references, however, don't need to be added by hand. RefWorks can automatically fill in the citation information for you. By clicking the plus sign again, you can choose to upload a document or import references. Upload Document lets you select a PDF on your computer and grab citation information from it, but you'll usually need to edit the record for mistakes. I recommend using Import References with citation information from a database. So let's click on that. On another tab, I have PubMed open with a search for COVID. Let's say we want to save the first two results into RefWorks. Click the checkboxes next to them. Then click the Send To button above the results. From there, click Citation Manager. We only want the results we checked off, but you can click Selection to save all results or all results on this page. Next, click Create File and save it somewhere you can find again. Now, return to the RefWorks tab. Under Import from a File, click on Select a file from your computer. Select the citation file, which will have the extension .nbib, and click Open. RefWorks recognizes this is an NLM PubMed format, so click Import. From here, you can assign the reference to a folder, or scroll to the bottom to create a new folder. Almost every database or journal website will have an option to save a citation manager, or send a citation directly to RefWorks. Here, I'll go back to Import References and add a saved citation from the Lancet. If RefWorks doesn't recognize the citation format, just select RIS format to add the citation. If you know the title of an article, you can also search PubMed through RefWorks and add articles directly from there. On the left-hand sidebar, click the Search Databases icon. Next to the search bar, you can see we're searching PubMed. When I type in COVID and press Enter, I get over 40,000 results. I can then select as many results as I want and click Import to add them to RefWorks. This search is very basic, so I recommend only using it to find the full title of a paper.